And we're back for yet another episode of SNG's Big Question. I'm
Hello.
Karan Talwar.
Get the name of the show right. It's the big question with SNG.
It's the questions
Of the big.
of the big.
And by big, we don't want to insult, like, we're not like fat shaming questions. They can be big, small, questions can be of any
Any size.
sizes. They're all beautiful.
Alright, on today's episode, we're going to talk about one of the big questions that came in. It's what's on your bucket list?
How did that word come about? Bucket list. I'm just curious.
Why? They
Ek
couldn't
balti,
find
ek
a
din.
paper and they're like, what's around? Okay,
Like,
bucket.
yeah, like
If it's
someone is
right.
writing the numbers on a bucket. They're like, kya ho gaya?
I want to go here.
I got one. Two chicks at the same time.
Oh,
Nice.
come on, a bucket.
Aren't you married though?
Yeah, I know. It's never going to happen.
I want to travel. Like, I actually want to go to, like, I've never been to
There's about
Australia.
200 countries. Are you going to name off?
I've never been to Australia. I've never been to I've never backpacked through Europe. I want to do that once before I'm dead.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and then die. Just probably go somewhere and get stabbed in
Die
Europe.
on the trip.
Yeah. Just go there and get stabbed in Europe somewhere.
I don't think Indians are equipped for backpacking, man. We need our comfort. You know, we need our
You need about 8 suitcases
Yeah,
and 5
exactly.
dudes carrying the suitcases.
Have you been to an airport? They're going like 8 suitcases. Where are you going? Pune.
Why are you flying to Pune? No, my bucket. I actually want to go to space.
Oh, that.
I heard Spain for a second.
Spain, no, Spain. I'm going to an office.
Well, your wish is granted because right now we are shooting at a place called YT
Spaces.
Okay, can I get 2 minutes of my life back from this joke? No, because I actually want to apply for that Mars One thing that's happening.
Yeah.
but is it-
But इसके देखो महाराष्ट्रन कोटा मिलेगा.
No, but they're going in 2026. I'm like, wait, that's too early. Like,
Too early?
yeah, I'll be fucking 39 at that. I don't want to go.
What
39
else
Anyway,
was
this
left?
is a trip to Mars. Okay, it's a one-way trip. I don't know if you guys know about it.
Huh, so
one
that's
way
what I'm
trip.
saying.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
you can't go to Mars and say, I'm going to go back now.
Hey, Matt Damon came back.
Yeah, he came back. He ate shit potatoes.
I
And
know
he came back.
so
He didn't come back immediately. It took him 5 years.
Arey, yeah, you know that.
हाँ तो 5 साल तो
And
लेगा
he's
ना. Why
Matt
would you want to
Damon.
make that trip and not
You know,
stay for 5 years?
The funniest, the
I'm staying
funniest
there forever. I'm not going for. Firstly, if I did go,
Go
then
now,
I
go.
can't come back.
Hey, you would be a Mars Rashtrian?
Listen.
That was good. That was good.
But
Please,
you
guys.
well.
just think about how many likes you get on Facebook for that. Yep.
That
There's
one
no
profile
internet
photo.
on Mars. How am I uploading shit? I don't get
travel
Vodafone
to Mars.
connection in Bombay.
What is the
I'm
point?
Get it in Mars.
What is the point of going?
Arey, bhai,
Why would you go?
it's 2026. There will be internet on
Yeah,
Mars. by
this
then.
is. It'll be a
There is no
really
people
weird dial-up
who has gone
connection.
first to put internet connection. I want to know that.
MTNL.
Mars Telecom Nigam Limited. One of the things that you wanted to always like places or like some semi bucket list.
I genuinely want to learn an instrument. I mean, a guitar specifically.
Oh, that's unique.
Yeah.
I wonder how.
No, but you know, so I tried learning the guitar, and here's what happened. Okay, so I was learning the guitar, and the sir I had, his name was Tanni sir. Okay, Tanni sir.
Sounds like a fake name.
Yeah, so he taught
What's your
me.
name? Tanni.
But
Tanni
Tanni.
sir. Yeah, so
No, I'll take payment in cash. हाँ check नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
how do you spell it? So he comes in 3 times. Okay, he teaches me.
He
2
comes in 3 times. That's not not the right way to learn guitar.
I know. I always
No
thought
wonder
it
you
was
didn't learn
odd.
it.
You didn't
You
learn
see?
the guitar.
Yeah.
Sir, do my pants need to be on this session? Because I don't know.
Sir, is this right? I don't think the
Wait,
notes
wait,
are coming out right.
I learned 2 chords, and then the 4th time, okay, he's supposed to come at 4:30. So I'm waiting. 4:30 happens, 5 o'clock happens, and then 2 years go by and he's not come.
You're sitting there waiting for you. Oh shit.
Man,
26
That's what I thought.
this guy
That's
didn't
what I
come for
thought.
2 years, man. This guy is something else.
He
That's
came
what
3 times and then he didn't come for 2 years.
That's
That sounds that sounds like a marriage.
Yeah.
that's when I realized that maybe that he's not going to come back.
Yeah.
So I have one thing. I want to live abroad again. I have already lived abroad, but I want to do it again. I want to spend some time outside the pollution.
Hey, if you want to redo something, is that still a bucket list thing? Because it's supposed to be stuff that you've never done.
Yeah,
right?
maybe you didn't do it right, and you want to do it
Makes
again,
sense.
and
Okay.
you know you yeah. So that's
Like
something.
What is you brought it up? So what is it that you want to redo?
Oh.
Learn the guitar.
Yeah.
It's been 4 years now.
Yeah.
Have you guys? What about deep sea diving? Have you guys ever thought of that? That's
I'm shit scared of water.
I would love to do that.
Water.
I would love to do that.
okay. After this, I was in his boat. in his boat.
don't
Literally.
have a
You
boat.
were literally in.
But
in
I was
his
scared
boat.
too. I was scared too. But I went to Andaman and I just did it. Like I was
The
on,
scuba
yeah,
diving,
and I
right?
was on
Yeah.
the boat. So I sat backwards and you flip into the water.
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
just took a deep breath, shut my eyes, and I literally just shut my eyes, felt the cold water, and I did it, and it was amazing. It is
Yeah.
like space down there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because you're
He's
weightless.
Right. He's
Yeah.
right.
It's quite amazing. That's something that I had on my bucket list, but I already did it.
Yeah, that's on my bucket list. But someone had to push me in the water.
They will,
I'm
don't worry.
not voluntarily
I'll-
going into the water.
So I was there when I was getting my certification done. These two women, Indian ladies, went up there. A lot of foreigners too. That's why I said Indian, who went up there, but they wanted to do it in their salwar kameez. They wanted to deep
That's
Wow.
on my bucket list.
Yeah, so they were like, "Can we not wear rubber suit?" And
Salwar kameez.
Ma'am,
yeah.
sari
You
is
would
not
die,
the right
madam.
thing.
You would
With or
probably
without
die.
the dupatta because
exactly.
That scuba suit with the dupatta अच्छे से oxygen tank के ऊपर.
And I was like, listen, you're 100 feet under. No one is checking you out there. You know? The fish is not like, woo.
Wow, that's a nice sari.
Yeah.
I want to learn a really tough language.
Like
Like
what?
Dothraki or something. Why not?
By the way, he does good. Can you speak in Dothraki for the?
Yeah,
for those who-
Chunavi kisili baki tu marji drakari fubeji.
That means that he hasn't got laid in 6 months.
What else on the bucket list?
um
Something absurd that you want to do. Like, you will not be able to do it, but you still had a thought. Like, you know what, one day I want to do this.
no, I would love to time travel if that's
That's a-
if
yeah,
that's on
that's
the
cool thing.
if
That'll
it's
be
on the
Who,
table.
pipe it down.
Huh?
Yeah, dude, that'll be awesome to
Yeah,
time travel.
that'd be pretty cool. I would totally love to. Also, okay, wait.
You're time traveling, go where? Where's the first place
You know
you
what?
go to?
Renaissance Italy.
And
Because I've answered that before also for a lot of people.
Go to Renaissance
No,
Italy.
because I want to be like on a street where like on
be on a street.
yeah, because I'll tell you why. So on the street, on one side is passing Leonardo da Vinci, and I'm like, whoa, that's amazing. And then the other side comes Michelangelo. I'm like, whoa,
वो
that's
रास्ते
also
में
amazing.
घूम रहे नहीं थे वहाँ पे.
अरे
Like, you
dude
weren't
घूमते
just-
थे क्योंकि गाड़ी नहीं था तभी तो रास्ते पे थे
inside a place where he's doing it.
It's just both of them having walks like
They weren't really
Hey,
street
Leonardo,
performers.
कैसा है रे?
That's exactly how it was.
Hey, portrait बनाने ले 10 euro.
Dude,
I don't know, man. I should never given a thought of bucket list wise. What would I like to do? I mean, I've done them. I wanted to play an instrument. I learned to play guitar. I wanted to go diving. I did it.
So you're good to die now. That's
Fuck off.
I've done. No. Let's see. What else is left?
You want to get married. You got married.
I don't think that's on
That's
anybody's
not
bucket list.
Okay, I got arm twisted into that shit.
All right,
That was on his
Richa.
wife's bucket list. She made it happen.
Okay, one thing. Okay, something that you had, something you had on your bucket list. Like I always wanted to get a dog, and we did like the 6 months ago. I did get a dog, so it's
Dude,
like one of those
I like
completions.
that was on my bucket list too, but it got taken out of my bucket.
Big-
You know, like I had a dog, and then 6 months later,
You realized,
no.
oh, I shouldn't be calling my dad that.
Wow, that escalated quickly.
so
He's gonna get a ass swooping when he gets home now.
no, so I had the dog, and the problem was that my mom didn't get along with the dog. Okay.
now it makes
Yeah.
sense.
But my dad gets along totally fine with the mom. So, totally different animal. So, what happened was we got the dog home. Okay, and we didn't know we hadn't read up on how to keep a dog. So we just you're still thinking about
This is so wrong.
this is
Then what
No,
breed
so,
was it?
Jara,
it was a lab. It was a black lab.
Oh
okay?
God, that's
and
a lot of work. Yeah.
And we just left it in the house, okay, thinking ki at some point it'll go to sleep, you know, like how dogs are supposed to
Go to sleep.
Yeah. So my mom and dad are sleeping, and this dog at like 2 in the night bites my mom on the head.
Now Adarsh
my connection is making so much sense.
So he bites her on the head, okay, and I don't know if you know this, but once you bite someone on the head, it's very hard for you to get along with that person.
Yeah,
You know?
that's like divorce immediately.
So
That's one of the big no-nos of
yeah, she never. Yeah, it's a terrible way to start a relationship. So she never liked him after that. You know, she would give him his food also with a stick. Yeah, like she's just pushing the food. So, not my dad.
I actually wanted to be a porn star at one point.
Of course.
I like that's still there on the bucket list.
but not.
But I wanted to.
But if you want to be a porn star, most of the male porn stars make their money in gay porn.
Oh yeah.
So are you willing to do that?
No, he's okay with less
No,
money.
but you don't want to be gay. It's called. It's called.
I'll do it for free.
You do gay porn for
Not
free.
gay porn.
You know, I don't think it's a dream job. I don't think being
It's
a
not a
nail
dream
porn star is a dream job. Like having people just okay, come. And you're like, what?
That doesn't
On
happen.
command. Yeah, they have to.
No.
They have to. Yes, they
What
have
fucking
to.
porn are you watching?
Dude, when they
Come. Okay.
yeah. Haven't you seen Boogie Nights? Yes. It's like you have to do it on command, man. It's like you're like a kutta, you know.
Not my dad.
Why does he go back to his dad all the time? Uncle, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Bringing
I
you
really
up.
like
Uncle,
you.
he's bringing you up. Okay, we are done.
No, but like, okay, is there what is the one thing that
Herpes.
Please.
What's the question?
no, what is one negotiable thing? What is one negotiable thing? Like,
Herpes.
It's negotiable.
yeah,
You want
get
it?
it, you get
Maybe.
it, you don't, you don't. Yeah, makes sense. But anything that like you almost got done but didn't, like
Herpes.
Galat.
but you came close to finishing.
Almost got done. I wanted to learn the violin, and after 2 months of torturing my whole house and like my family, I sold it.
You sold it.
I sold my violin.
Adar, since you play so many instruments, let's put it. Does that actually help getting laid? Having so many.
No, not at all. The dog helps more.
The dog helps more.
The dog
Oh
helps
my God.
tremendously
So you
more.
play the dog.
Dogs.
The dog. You play the dog.
जा बुला उसको जाके जा
Wait, so you had a dog for the last 6 months. Tell me
Yeah.
how you use a dog to get laid.
By the way, he has a Chow Chow, okay,
Yeah.
which
So
is a
he's-
28-kilo dog, and he's only what 6 months old.
He's 7 months old.
He's
Yeah.
7 months old.
Yeah.
He sits wherever he wants, and after he's done shitting, he walks 2 steps and he sits.
Yeah.
and then does not move.
He
and you can't
he
make him
sat
move.
in front of a truck once. Didn't give a fuck, and you couldn't lift him.
Wow,
He's
this is like
30.
that Tiananmen Square thing, man. The guy said, dog version.
मैं बैठ गया.
Revolution. Fuck that.
I didn't know. And he's a Tibetan dog, so that kind of makes sense.
There you go. There you go. No, but the question is, how did you get laid out of this?
No,
This is
not
the
yet.
Dharna
I'm
doing
waiting
dog.
for him to grow up to like use him completely. Like 40
Use him, means
This is looking so bad, dude. This is looking so bad for you.
episode went south.
Peter, please look
How to
into
get
this.
laid? I'm waiting for my dog to grow up.
I'm training him to be the right wingman. Like he'll be the perfect
Thank God he's saying
one day.
wingman. Oh my God.
Adar,
He'll be the perfect wingman one
Adar,
day.
You don't have friends, no?
Dog. That's why I got the dog.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's it,
We
that's
just
it.
sort of goofed around in this episode. Like we said earlier, if you have any questions that you want answered by SNG, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll answer it in the forthcoming episodes.
Future episodes.
Yeah,
All right.
future episodes. All right. Thanks you.
SNG out.
Grammar is on our bucket list too.
Oh, yeah, grammar.
Did you do anything that you regretted and then changed?
I tried modeling.
Please come. Yes, sir. With this, we can put you anywhere in the world. Prasad, where are they?
Egypt, at the pyramids.